Okay, I am like seriously so fed up with my room. It is like such a huge disaster. So I'm on my way right now to go get a garment rack, and I'm gonna literally declutter my entire room today, and hopefully I can get it like squeaky clean. I'm home now and it is so cold outside. Oh my god, it's like freezing. But anyway, I didn't find the garment rack that I was looking for, but I did find a nice alternative because this one actually holds a little bit more weight, which is really good. So I'm gonna build it now and then try and tackle my room that is a complete disaster. I can't walk anymore. It's embarrassing. To get all my dresses out of the closet, which is just back there, and I'm just gonna move some jackets around because I have so many jackets that I can't fit. So at least I cleared up a little bit of room. I still have to actually look through my dresses and see what I want to keep and what I want to donate. So much progress. If you think this looks horrible, you should have seen it before. Hi guys, so it is day 2 at attempting to clean my room. I've made a lot of progress since the last time you guys saw me, but my room is still very messy. I do have some bundles on the floor of just kind of things that have to go in different places. So I have like a bundle for stuff that goes in drawers, another one that's skirts, another one that's pants, that sort of thing. So I'm hoping to tackle that today. So also, I was gonna mention that I was thinking of switching over something because this is the garment rack right now. I'll show you. It looks like these, if it focuses, there we go. I'm thinking of changing all of these hangers for those like black velvety hangers. I think that might actually look a little bit cuter. This is pretty much the pile that I really need to focus on because this is all the shirts that have to go into my drawers. I'm ready to tackle the drawers. It is looking not cute. Look at how messy this has gotten. It's like really bad. I used to have this like all organized. It's like, okay, no, it's a lie. But it's like, what is this paper right now? Bye. It is like kind of organized. Like there are some piles underneath this massive mess, but I really need to get this in order. Cardigan. Would you put striped turtlenecks with turtlenecks or striped tops? These are the questions, you know? So these are the current piles. So here I have, ignore my finger, I cut myself. I have striped tops, and then I have plain tops that are not turtlenecks. And then I have all the lacy stuff. And then I have sweaters and just tank tops, like undershirt kind of shirts. The one Lululemon pair of pants that I own that I never wear because I don't work out. Here I have cardigans, t-shirts that I rarely wear, and then I have like actual turtlenecks that I have to fold, vests, and then just like a plain polka dot top. So all of this needs to fit in here. Look at how much progress that made. It looks so good. So it is another day that I'm attempting to declutter my closet, and since a couple of days have gone by, I feel like I've made another mess in my room. I feel like I just haven't been able to organize things properly. And yeah, I did buy hangers, the velvet ones for that rack, so I'm going to switch those over today, as well as I'm actually going to go through my closet again and kind of see what I have a lot of. Like say I have a lot of white shirts, and go through all of those and see which ones I want to keep. I'm looking through skirts. Like I've shown you guys, whoops, dropped my phone. I put them on these 3-tiered hangers, and I'm trying to put some away, and I was like, should I keep this skirt? Okay, now that I'm looking at this on the camera, I literally look like Minnie Mouse right now. I mean, the buttons are really cute. Like, I like the buttons on it. It's a little big on me at the waist here. Like, Just kind of sticks out a little. But I mean, it's cute, but I have not worn this and I don't know how long, and it is a little short. So I think I'm just going to donate this. I pretty much have a huge chunk of white tops, so I thought I would just kind of go through all of them and see which ones I get rid of. So I'm just going to take literally all of them out. This one I really, really love. I just got this recently, so I'm keeping that one for sure. This polka dot one I've had for a while, so I don't know. I think I'm going to get rid of this. I've had it for a while. It's cute. I've worn it a bunch of times, but you know, I do need to declutter. So this polka dot top is fairly new and I actually haven't worn it yet, so for sure holding on to that. This printed top I actually really, really like. Whenever I need a little bit of extra something to my white shirt, I grab this one just because I love the pattern on it. So definitely keeping this one. This is the only pinstripe blouse that I own, so for sure keeping this one just because it's always nice to just kind of have a basic like that. This top I really, really love. I love the front details on it, so I'm keeping this one for sure. This pirate top, I feel like I actually didn't get it that long ago, but I never wear it just because it's such a hassle to do up all of these buttons, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one is so unique. I actually really love this top. I love the polka dots on it. I think it's really, really fun. This one I haven't really worn all that much. I think I'm gonna try this on because I feel like I forget what this looks like on. This is what the top looks like. It's cute. Like, I love the detail at the back with the keyhole opening at the back. It's cute. I love the print of it. I think it's really, really unique, but it is a little bit big, and I think I'm just gonna get rid of it because I haven't really worn it, so sorry. So I thought it would look nicer if I had those black velvety ones, so I bought some of those, and I'm gonna switch it over and see how it looks. Grab a few of these and switch them over. Goodbye, plastic hangers. The hooks on it already bother me like so much. Like, why would you want this? You know, I was trying to find some that didn't have them, but most of them had them unless it was like some weird color. So I was like, I just want black. So I think I'm just gonna return these ones and see if I can find other ones that don't have them. Hi guys, so it is the last day that I'm going to finish decluttering my closet, so hopefully it's all done today. I have the garment rack all up. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm not keeping the velvet hangers, or at least not till I can find some that don't have those little hooks on it, because I was just like way too annoying. But my closet, it's looking good. I did get rid of a couple of things, so I have a big donation pile outside my room. So now I'm just kind of going through shoes and stuff like that, and I'm hoping to just have it all clean and tidied up today, but we will see how it goes. I'm trying to see which shoes I keep and which ones I get rid of. A lot of these are kind of summer shoes, like these ones obviously. That should probably be downstairs, but you know. It is looking a little bit better, as you can kind of see there. I did get rid of a bunch of stuff, thank God. I'm getting so sad because I got rid of all these books and stuff that I had in this night table. Here, I'll show you what I put there instead. I put like all of my fur stuff, so I have fur hats here, the fur scarves that like fold, and then here are some earmuffs. This isn't all of my like faux fur stuff. I do have some more under my bed in here. I couldn't fit any more in here, so I had to put stuff in this thing. I also have a bunch of random things in my closet, like this 17 prom magazine. This was the 17 prom edition when I went to prom years ago, and I kept it so that I could show my future daughter what was worn at the time. I don't really know if the style even changed that much till then, but you know, thought it would be kind of interesting. So I'm pretty much done my entire closet, and now I have my garment rack, and I have my donation pile over here. I'm so excited to be almost done. So I'm gonna put everything in this bag. The donation bag looks pretty good. Look, goes like pretty much all the way to my knees. So check it out. I have the garment rack, and then I have a backpacks here at the bottom, and then some storage at the bottom there in boxes, and then some shoes. And then I'm heading over to my closet, which I still need to figure out where to store these, but they're gonna hang there for now. And then to some it might not look very organized, but yeah. So after like a million days, I'm finally done organizing and decluttering my closet. I finally got my garment rack because obviously I don't have as much storage space. My closet is not that big. So if you guys want to see a video on how I organized everything and how to organize things in a smaller space, let me know. I would love to do a video like that. I've done something similar to that in the past, but I haven't spent as many days as I have reorganizing everything. So if you guys want me to do another one of those, I'll gladly do that. As well as make sure you guys check out my Instagram to see how I actually wear all the clothes that I do own and I showed throughout this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!